Hello, this is Eileen. Today we're going to do two kinds of Father's Day cards. And this video will show you how to make one, and I will make another one for the second card. This one is going to be hearts. And you need for both projects scissors, glue stick, a writing implement. You don't want a Sharpie or anything too thick like a crayon. Regular pen or pencil will be fine. 2 colors of construction paper, and any white or ivory light colored cardstock or one of the heavier printer papers. So for the heart card, you're going to fold all of your papers together. You have 2 pieces of cardstock and you're both pieces of construction paper. Press them down nice and tight. You'll take out your construction paper and put that aside for a while. With your first color of construction paper, you take it on the folded side and you're going to put your hand down like this. You're going to make sure that your thumb and your finger are well over the fold like that. Then you're going to trace with your implement. Remember to hold it up and down, not to tilt it, more or less up and down. You start near your wrist. Go up, round your finger, down, up, down, over the other finger, down. And then you're coming up, doing your index finger. You're going to approach the folded part right here. So go ahead and draw to the folded part, making sure that your finger is at or a little bit over the edge of this folded part. So now you come and draw on the paper again on the other side of the folded part, at the side of your finger, down and over to your thumb. Again, you're at the folded part. You bring your writing implement back to the other side of your thumb, down around your hand, down part of your wrist, and you're done with the pen. So now what you have is an outline of your hand, and your finger and thumb are at the folded part of your paper. Next, you're going to start cutting. So you're going to cut around here, cut all around your fingers, but not the folded parts. So when you get to the folded parts, you stop and you'll be cutting around here. Not there, not there. So that when you're done cutting, this is what you have. You turn your hands around and you have the heart. Last thing you do for this card, the art part of it, which I'm teaching you, is to take your cardstock, which has been folded, and your glue stick, and match up your folded hands to the fold of your cardstock. Now my hand is sticking out, so I'm just going to cut off part. That was my wrist there. So there you are, your hand card with the heart. And in another video, Caleb will show you ideas for what to put inside your Father's Day card. Have fun.